Hello, I'm Tomasz Rogala, Poland Immigration Strategy Director at Fragomen, the world's leading provider of immigration services.
And I'm Tomasz Rdzanek, Senior Associate at Fragomen.
If you have Polish parents, grandparents, or even earlier ancestors, you may be wondering whether you qualify for Polish citizenship by descent.
In this video, we'll explain how Polish citizenship by descent works, who may qualify, what documentation is typically required, and some of the most common questions and challenges we see throughout the process.
One of the first things we explain to clients is that Polish citizenship by descent isn't about applying for citizenship. It's about confirming that citizenship has been passed from one generation to the next under Polish law.
That's an important distinction because every family's history is different. The answer depends on a number of factors, including when ancestors left Poland, whether they became citizens of another country, and how Polish citizenship laws applied throughout their generations.
Many people ask us, my grandparents were born in Poland, does that mean I qualify? Unfortunately, there's no simple yes or no answer. Eligibility depends on your family's individual history and whether citizenship was continuously passed from one generation to the next.
Some people qualify through a parent or grandparent, while others may qualify through an earlier ancestor. Every case requires an individual assessment based on the available documentation and citizenship laws that were in effect at the relevant time. What documentation is needed? Gathering the right documentation is often the most important part of the process. Depending on your family's circumstances, this may include birth certificates, marriage certificates, military records, historical Polish civil records, or naturalization documents.
It's also common for records to contain different spellings of names, inconsistent dates, or missing information. Resolving those issues can be an important part of establishing eligibility. Many applications involve historical research. For example, applicants often need to determine whether an ancestor retained Polish citizenship after emigrating or acquiring another nationality.
We also see challenges where records were lost, destroyed, or created in different countries or languages. This situation don't necessarily prevent someone from qualifying, but they often require careful legal analysis and supporting evidence. Common misconceptions. One of the biggest misconceptions is that anyone with Polish ancestry automatically qualifies for Polish citizenship. Another is that the process is simply completing an application form.
In reality, eligibility depends on your family's unique circumstances and how Polish citizenship laws applied over time. That's why every case needs to be assessed individually. We've seen growing interest from people around the world who want to reconnect with their Polish heritage or better understand whether they have a claim to Polish citizenship.
For many families, it's also about creating opportunities for future generations, including the ability to live, work, and study throughout the European Union if citizenship is confirmed.
If you're considering Polish citizenship by descent, the first step is understanding your family's history and gathering as much documentation as possible.
Because every case is unique, obtaining the right guidance early in the process can help you better understand your situation and prepare the strongest possible application.
Thank you for watching. We hope that this overview has helped you better understand how Polish citizenship by descent works and some of the key considerations involved.
For more practical insights on immigration and citizenship topics from around the world, be sure to subscribe to the Fragomen's YouTube channel.